Essential oils uses continue to amaze me, as they can be used to treat so many health illnesses and improve so many aspects of your health. For the sake of using essential oils for hormones and achieving balance. There are 7 essential oils to balance hormones naturally. 1. Lavender oil. The distinct scent of lavender extract has an ability to balance hormones. Also, women with PMS may find relief from feelings of stress and discomfort. 2. Thyme oil. Studies have shown that thyme essential oil positively affects progesterone by improving progesterone production. Low levels of this hormone lead to depression, infertility, and PCOS. 3. Basil oil. The function of the adrenal glands is to cope with daily stress by producing cortisol. This essential oil boosts the body's natural response to both physical and emotional stress. Researchers have found that the daily use of basil extracts reduce the general stress symptoms, such as exhaustion, sleep issues, and forgetfulness. 4. Clary sage oil. A study conducted in 2014 showed that the inhalation of clary sage oil reduces the levels of cortisol by 36% and increases the thyroid hormone levels. According to researchers, clary sage oil had a statistically significant effect on lowering cortisol and had an antidepressant effect improving mood. 5. Lemongrass oil. The ovaries produce estrogen and progesterone. And when these hormones are imbalanced, the person experiences infertility, PMS, and difficult or irregular menstrual cycles. According to Dutch researchers, the compounds in lemon peels, which are also found in this oil, boost liver functions, as well as the production of hormones, by reducing liver cholesterol. 6. Sandalwood oil. It balances testosterone in women and men and improves the levels of hormones in the body. It also acts as a powerful natural aphrodisiac which enhances libido. 7. Myrtle oil. About 20 million Americans suffer from some kind of thyroid disease. And even 60% of them are not aware of it. The thyroid gland regulates numerous processes in the body, as well as the metabolism and the body's temperature. This essential oil stimulates the thyroid activity and balances and normalizes the function of the ovaries and the balance of hormones. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.